Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is O30HW1 graphing coordinates. We're going to review how to graph and plot a coordinate here on an XY axis. So in order to graph a coordinate, you must be familiar with the coordinate plane. This is the coordinate plane on the graph paper that I provide you in class, what you see here, a 10 by 10. This red line represents the x-axis. It's the horizontal line going from -10 to +10, going left to right here. This is the horizontal line, or aka the x-axis. Right here is the y-axis. This is a vertical line, where it's going up and down. So the y-axis is right there in the middle. So these are the two lines that are in the middle of your graph, the x-axis and the y-axis. So our goal here is to plot the coordinates. We must plot the coordinates counting left and right first. We must always, that first number tells us left and right, aka our x value, which I highlighted here in red, tells us to go left and right first. If it's a negative number, we count left. If it's a positive number, we count right when we're referring to the x value, that first number. The y value tells us how much up and down. So that second number in the coordinate tells us up and down. If it's a positive number, we count up from the origin, and if it's a negative number, we count down from the origin. The origin, this orange dot, I put right here in the middle. That center point where the x-axis and the y-axis meet, that's the origin. That's the 0, 0 coordinate. Because it's not 0 left, right, and it's 0 up, down. Next up is this. Plot the coordinate 3, 5. We count the boxes from the origin. So let's put a little green dot here. We're going right from the origin. 3, 5, that means 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. And then 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the coordinate 3, 5. As we see here. 3 to the right, 5 up. Let's do another. Let's plot the point -5, 8. So we go from the origin, 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, 8 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's my coordinate -5, 8. Let's do another. This is going to be in quadrant 3. So we go 7 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 to the left, 2 down. And this is quadrant 3 down here. Quadrant 1's up here, quadrant 2's here, quadrant 3's down in the bottom left hand corner, and quadrant 4 is in the bottom right hand corner. Quadrant 1 is the upper right hand corner, quadrant 2 is in the upper left hand corner, quadrant 3 is in the bottom left, and quadrant 4 is in the bottom right of our picture. And -7, -2, -7, -2 is that green dot where it's located right now. 7 to the left, 2 down. Now next we have to identify coordinates. What is that coordinate? Well, we go count from the origin, how many goes right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 to the right, 4 up. So we have 6, 4 up. So our coordinate is 6, 4. Because it's 6 to the right from the origin and 4 up. Our next one, problem number 2. We got to find out where this green dot is. So we got to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the right, and 8 up. So our answer is 9 to the right, 8 up. Let's do another. Problem number 3. We count from the origin, that's center point. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 8 up. So since it's 4 to the right, it would be 4. And then 8 up. So it'd be 4, 8. And that will be our answer, 4, 8. Let's do one more. Where now this dot is 6 to the left, 5 up. How do I know it's 6 to the left? Well, I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So it's 6 to the left, so it's a -6. And it's 5 up. So it'll be -6, comma, 5. And that will be our answer. Our next problem. Counting from the origin, we go 10 left, 1 up. So it'll be 10 left is -10. 1 up is 1. So it'll be -10, comma 1. And that's our answer for number 5. Now it's your responsibility to do problems 6 through 10 as that little green dot moves around the graph. And make sure you hit that submit button on the bottom of the page. If you have any questions, make sure you come to Extra Help or just simply ask questions during class. We'll be happy to help you out. Have a good night.